San Antonio, Texas is known as Military City, USA, due to its outstanding support of Joint Base San Antonio, the largest joint base in America with more than 80,000 people. Every year, the Army and San Antonio come together to celebrate their shared history and friendship at parades, sporting events, concerts by Fort Sam's own, the 323rd Army Band, and events such as Fiesta, Celebrate America's Military Week, and the San Antonio Stock Show and Rodeo. Fort Sam Houston began as a military post in San Antonio with the arrival of the U.S. 2nd Dragoons in 1845. A quartermaster depot was initially established in the Alamo and later moved to the Quadrangle in 1877. Before he was president, Lieutenant Colonel Theodore Roosevelt Unit, the Rough Riders, trained here in 1898 before making the charge up San Juan Hill in Cuba. Lieutenant Dwight D. Eisenhower met his future wife, Mamie Dowd, on infantry post in 1915. When the 30th Women's Auxiliary Corps arrived at Fort Sam on December 15, 1942, they were the first Women's Army Corps assigned to replace men sent to overseas assignments. The Women's Army Corps were not the only notable unit to be housed at Fort Sam. The 5th Army, now known as U.S. Army North, was the first field army organized by the United States during World War II. 5th Army played a key role in the liberation of Italy and ultimate defeat of the Axis powers during World War II. In the 1970s, 5th Army moved to Fort Sam Houston and was redesignated as United States Army North in 2006. From Homeland Defense to disaster response and theater security cooperation with Canada and Mexico, Army North plays a vital role in protecting the American people and our way of life. Additionally, Army North is home to one of 2 caisson detachments in the Army, including a military funeral honors platoon. The commander of Army North also serves as the senior Army commander of Joint Base San Antonio for close to 35,000 soldiers, civilians, and family members across the greater San Antonio area. Joint Base San Antonio is also home to several other major United States Army commands, together ensuring the highest quality medical training and care, providing contracting and installation support around the world, coordinating the defense of the Western Hemisphere, and recruiting future soldiers. This wide-ranging set of missions enables individual and collective military readiness, and it would not be possible without the support of our hometown, Military City, USA.